Hi everyone, this is Anil. Welcome to ServiceNow Washington DC upgrade video series. As we know, ServiceNow's Washington DC version is going to be generally available in the month of March. So in this video, we will talk about how to create a project plan to perform upgrade of your instance. So as part of this video, we will see first how to download the template, the project plan template from ServiceNow website, and then we will see how the project plan looks like. Then we'll see how to add dates to it and how to use the template that I have created by making use of the template which is available on the doc site to your specific project. So let's get started. So to download this template, you have to navigate to this URL. I'll share the URL link in the description of this video. So now here you have three options. One is PDF, Excel, and MPP. I have used the Excel version, but if you have MPP, then you can also use MPP. Now, once you download it, the template looks like this. As you can see here, it has WBS name nodes, and I have renamed this column. Originally, it is called start date. I have changed it to template start date and template finish date. So these are the dates which came as part of template. Now I have added two new date columns called planned start, planned end. This will be your actual project plan start and end dates, right? That's these two. And then duration, it was part of the original template, so that is that. And then predecessors are also part of the original template. Uh, and there's also a column called assignment. So if you have to assign this to a specific team member who's performing the upgrade, then that's what this is used for. Now you can add this project start date here. So as you can see, for example, if the project start date is March 4th, then it automatically picks it up here. I have written a formula for that. And then the rest of the dates will also automatically update. Now let's first understand the different sections of this project plan. The first one is, it has total of 7 sections or 7 phases. The first one is read the release notes and plan your upgrade. That's the first phase. And it has all these activities here. So as you can see, there's a number convention like 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, which specify like the set of activities in each phase. Then you have phase 2, which is prepare the development instance upgrade. And then you have all these activities as part of that. Then you have phase 3, which is verify your upgrade configuration and schedule the development instance upgrade in high. Now this is a little older template, so this is actually no support, but yeah. And then next is phase 4, upgrade and validate development instance. And then phase 5, if you have other non-prod instances to be upgraded, then that's what you do as part of phase 5. And then you have phase 6, which is prepare, upgrade the prod instance. And then there's phase 7, where you actually upgrade the prod instance. So this is scheduled to take like about 8 weeks of duration. So as you can see here, it's the original template had February 7th as a start date, and then the end date is April 2nd, so which is about 8 weeks. The same is the case with this. So they start off in the month of March, and then it ends by 8 weeks, which is end of April, right? That is that. And now if you, let's try to understand this a little more, right? So as you can see here, the first activity starts on 4th of March, and then there's a dependency like predecessors for each of some of the activities. So when that is mentioned in the project plan, I have added that accordingly here. The same applies to all the other places where predecessors are there, like all this, for example, like this one, and then this one, so on and so forth. And then otherwise, the rest of the tasks will start on the same day as that phase. For example, if you see here, this first task and the last task also start on the same day as the phase start date. And then similarly, these ones also start on the same day as phase 2 start date, and so on. Now, each phase will start after the last date of the previous phase. For example, if you see here, this is starting on March 8th, and the previous phase ended on 7th of March. Same applies here. So this phase 2 ended on 13th, and this is starting on 14th, right? And same applies accordingly. Now, because this template is a little old, so the links take you to an older version of instance or an older version of documentation site. So you may have to accordingly, update it to meet your like the current release, which is Washington DC. I have shared the copy of this on GitHub. Let me quickly bring that up. I'll again post a link to that. So this template is available here. Also, I have a link to the updated version, which is on Office 365. So in case you can access this, then I would suggest you access this first. Otherwise, if you want to download a copy, then you can download it from here. So that's about ServiceNow upgrade to Washington DC, how to create a project plan. Thank you for watching. This is Anil.